Good morning, students. Welcome to our next session, Summer Sun's exercise. First is personification. Underline the definition, students. Personification is when we speak or write about a thing, an idea, or an animal as if it has human qualities. So, the main meaning is about that if we are just describing and compare to the human quality, that is called personification. Now read these lines. Yet he will find a chink or two to slip his golden fingers through. In these lines given above, the poet refers to the sun as if it were a person, using the pronouns he and him for it. This kind of reference is known as personification. So I hope you understood that when we just compare to a human quality, that is called personification. Personification is a literary device we use to make poetry more interesting. Let us read a few more examples of personification. The wind howled all night. Howling is the quality of person. The bees danced with the flowers. Again dance. Truth conquers. The car crawled through the traffic jam. All these, every sentence shows the human quality. Now here is the first exercise for you. First one, list two examples of personification from the poem. As you know, students, in this poem that many examples are there of personification. Here I am just giving you few of them. Underline one, all are the personification. You can search more also there. Check that. And though the broken age of tiles into the ladder's hayloft smile. Next, his golden face around he bears to all the garden ground. Next, to please the child to paint the rose, the gardener of the world he goes. You have to underline in book only, no need to write in copies. Next is identify the personification in these rhymes given below. I am a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout, just tip me over and pour me out. So, just see that teapot, short and stout. This is also again that personification here. Next stanza, I get all steamed up, hear me shout. So, the teapot shouts when it is all steamed. This also shows that personification. Now come to B. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Again, rain can come and go. So, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. This is also personification here. You don't have to do anything, only just underline that. Nothing else. Now, C point. Here also underline the personification. The deep grass moved and whispered. Moved and whispered, again that personification. And bowed, again bowed and brushed my face. So you can notice this is also the personification. Now here is the exercise. Third one. Use your imagination to complete these personification prompts. You can use your own also. Here some suggestions. Write in your books if you are having. Otherwise write in copies. First one. The moon arrives at night. Second. The trees waited for the rains to come. Third, the angry fire swallowed everything in its path. Next, the clock looks as if it were standing still. E point, beauty lives in the eye of the beholder. And last is, the wise owl thought about the problem for a while. So that's all in this session, students. Complete your work and learn the exercises. Thank you, students.